This is a part of the tourism fund coming from the Department of Tourism, yung 12 billion. No? One is Rojas, and then one is anong pangalan yung kalsada doon? North Drive, Leonard Wood, and then yung forthcoming, yung mapunta sa Burnham Lake, yung asphalting ng bicycle lane. Ito yung parte ng 2013 na tourism fund. For the regular fund of the DPWH, the major portion of the allocation was the circumferential road, almost 200 million doon, and then the scattered flood control projects like the City Camp Lagoon, 50 million, ang ating Burnham Lake, another 22 million, and then another 25 million in the various national roads in the city of Baguio. And then yung mga iba, national roads for blacktopping, yung Instapib na sinasabi, bagong modelo ng Department of Public Works and Highways, sinumpisaan na sa Season Road. And others will follow. Ayun ang mga component ng mga infra natin. Ang pinakamalaki dyan, susunod, yung improvement ng Baguio General Hospital. A mixture of infra plus modern equipments of the hospital, medical equipments. And then eskwelahan, yung apat na P, public, private, program partnership, Pinoy, almost 80 billion ang allocation for school buildings doon, infra ng eskwelahan. I think yung mga farm to market roads, almost naman ito, 35 million, short of award yung hinihintay natin. Mayroon din ibibigay daw sa city ako dahil every time they say na mayroon din city, mayroon din yung legislative ako for